Remember when we were baptized, that is one of the missions that we receive. Priest, king, and prophet. Therefore, we are called to imitate the example of John the Baptist, to be proclaimers of the truth, in season and out of season. Pangalawang letter P is pointer. The role of John the Baptist is to point to Christ. And in the same sense, my dear friends, we are also pointers to Christ. John the Baptist, he never pointed to himself. Remember this pericope in the Gospel of St. John, where John the Baptist was with his followers, nakita na si Jesus. And what did John the Baptist do? He pointed to Jesus. Look, there is the Lamb of God.